What's that for? You think cheese? It's a video camera, see? Is that you and your handsome self? You play with the front end more? Wow, that's a cool truck. What kind of truck is that? Cool! You're pretty smart. Turn
it back around.
Who's that? And there's Henry. Henry, are you watching Barney? It's Barney. Henry. You watching Barney? You gonna watch Barney too? Who's that? Yeah. You guys are pretty cute. Who's that? Don't push Henry over. Be gentle.
Turn it back around.
We'll just turn it off for a little bit. Can you say bye-bye? Say good luck.
Good luck.
How about see you later?
See you next